I'm Prerna from EduNirvana and I'm back again with one more video on text completion with double blanks. In the previous video, we covered text completion questions with a single blank where we did the format, the structure, the tips and tricks and the strategies that are required to solve text completion questions with a single blank with greater accuracy and speed. I hope you liked the video. Those of you who haven't watched the video can go and watch that video. So what are we waiting for? Without further ado, let's just begin with text completion questions with double blank. As far as text completion questions with double blank are concerned, these are questions with relatively bigger para ranging from 2 to 3 lines to 4 to 5 lines with double blanks. And for each blank, there is a set of 3 options. So 3 options per blank, out of which you have to choose just one. And overall, there are 6 options. You need to find both the answers for both the blanks correct. There is no credit for partial answers. If one option is correct and the other is incorrect, you will not be getting any score for that. This was regarding the format or the structure of text completion questions with double blank. Moving on to the strategies or the approach. Actually, the strategies or the approach is the same for all types of text completion questions, whether it is text completion with single blank, or text completion question with double blank, or it's a text completion question with triple blank. Now, let's have a look at the strategy that is required for solving the text completion questions. Number 1, read the question slowly and thoroughly. Do not go to the options at this moment and try to find out what the question is all about, its context, tone, and overall meaning. Second, try to find out the context clues or the keywords or the key phrases or the connectors which will provide you vital information about the question. Now, based on the context clues and overall meaning and connectors, try to come up with the predicted answers for the blank. Then, match the predicted answers with the answer choices and come up with the final answer choices. Finally, plug these answer choices in the blanks and ensure that the sentence is meaningful and grammatically correct after inserting the answer choices in the blanks. Now that we have a fair idea of how the text completion questions with double blank are, and we know the format, the strategies, or the approach for it, let's move on and pick up a few practice questions and apply those strategies in the same.